MD Conference Live presents updates from the European Society of Cardiology in Barcelona.
Dr. Connolly, thank you very much for being with us today. We're hoping that you will summarize the key findings from the RELY trial.
The RELY study was designed to test whether dabigatran, a new direct thrombin inhibitor, could reduce the risk of stroke in patients with atrial fibrillation. The goal of the study was to show that one of the doses of dabigatran that were tested was as good as warfarin in what's called a non-inferiority study. In this trial, 18,000 patients were enrolled and randomized to 3 treatments. Dabigatran 110 milligrams twice a day, dabigatran 150 milligrams twice a day, or warfarin. The main result of the study was that both doses of dabigatran were non-inferior to warfarin, having shown that they had as good of results on the primary outcome of stroke or systemic embolism. But in addition to that, we've also shown that the higher dose of dabigatran, 150 milligrams twice a day, reduces the risk of stroke compared to warfarin by 34%, a completely unexpected finding, and one which is sure to have a major impact. So both doses of dabigatran are effective, and the high dose is very effective. In addition, and most surprisingly, in spite of the fact that these are potent antithrombotic agents, they both have lower rates of hemorrhage compared to warfarin. In particular, both doses markedly reduce the risk of intracranial hemorrhage and intracerebral bleeding, and dabigatran 110 also reduced the risk of major hemorrhage. So we have a better antithrombotic agent that is also safer.
Doctor, do you anticipate that this drug will in fact replace warfarin?
I anticipate that for many patients this will become the treatment of choice. For some patients on warfarin who are doing extremely well on warfarin and are having stable blood levels, it may well be possible to continue them on warfarin. But for the majority of patients, it appears that dabigatran will be a better alternative.